Welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for host DBMS. Today we discuss the topic called having class. SQL query having class part number 4. It's a simple one. Here, generally having class is there one used in combination with the group by class to restrict group of return rows to only those whose the condition are true. Indexes you can say like this only select expression 1 comma expression 2 and so on. Aggregate function from tables where conditions group by expression 1 comma expression 2 and so on having condition. So whenever one you can utilize the facility from the SQL that is called having class with a combination of where conditions select and so on. Let's see the parameters and see the example, you can get clarity. So parameters arguments you can say aggregate function where a function such as you can say about sum, count, minimum, maximum, average functions here, and also having the parameter like that where condition is the option here. So having condition, so we need having condition because is a condition applied only to the aggregate results to restrict the groups of returned rows here. Let's see the example, you get clarity. Let's assume the here database about food data, food id, food item, cost and weight. So like this is there will be 9 foods with the id and item and cost and weight also. Let's go for the queries now. So we can give the query like select food items from with cost greater than 120. We can give like this select food item for food group by food item having some cost greater than 20. So when I give like this, it go and select greater than 200 above. So here where is the cost is 200 above, this item and so on and so on. So like this, what are the, this is not applicable here. So what are the, at last print the item name like cakes, chocos, fry and milk. So one more query you can give and execute here. Simply food item with a weight less than 100 gram as in the diagram. So weight less than 100 is this one, 2, 3, like that will be there. Some items will be there. So when you give like this, it will print the, sorry, greater than 100. So let's wait, greater than 100. Okay, so greater than 100 is here is this, like this equal or greater than 100, like at last it print the result of case here. So this like that you can give the query and execute with the having class. If you have any queries or suggestions, please kindly comment it in the social media, and thank you for watching the video. Thank you.